Hi there, Prairie Plant Girl here. I just wanted to share real quick with you my Amaryllis once again because I just wanted you to see they can rebloom. And once, if you see my last video about my Amaryllis update, I had cut back the bloom stalks when the original blooms faded. So I had two bulbs that were new this year. Apple Blossom, I believe is the variety, and they had both sent up spikes and bloomed very nicely. And then right after cutting that stalk off, this one has chosen to bloom again. It threw up a nice big bloom stalk, and there's actually 5 blooms on it, so almost all of them are completely open right now, which is really stunning to see. And this one is just finishing up, I believe. And then I wanted to show you, if you've caught some of my other videos about this planting of Amaryllis, I had 2 bulbs that had been a little bit mistreated last year, but they were last year's bulbs. And I planted them also in this pot. One actually just it just wasn't looking good and feeling really soft, so I pulled it out a few weeks ago. The other one, if you can see past the leaves of these, is growing a small leaf here, so it's trying to get some energy back. I'm not sure this is going to be enough to feed it for the following season, but I'm letting it grow this leaf and see what happens. And since it obviously has some life left in it, I'll leave this bulb and put it outside in the summer and see if it shoots up a few more leaves at that time, the larger leaves, and we'll be able to collect energy, because these leaves are what are going to collect the energy from the sun and really feed these bulbs and give them the energy they need to bloom for the next year. So I'll just leave this one and see what happens for next year. And these 2 are definitely nice and healthy, so as long as I remember to take care of them over the summer, they should be good to go for next winter to have some blooms as well. But just a real quick little update on these, because they're just too beautiful not to share. So Amaryllis, I love it. It's a great indoor flowering plant that you can have in the winter to give you months of blooms. These were blooming in December, and I'm enjoying blooms still. They bloom for weeks at a time, and yeah, they send up more bloom stalks, and you can have blooms for absolute months with them. And so thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.